Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to adjust it because it always seems crooked. So there's last week's spread using According to Ali's Leafy Leafy. It's always so fun to say. And I love the way it looks in my classic horizontal for my journal. So this week, still using According to Ali, but I'm going to be using some of her watercolor florals, her neutral alcohol ink, and of course bringing in the washi because I can't stop myself. Let's get started. All right, so I already know that I'm going to put this big sticker down here on Sunday because it's massive, it's beautiful, and I've already, is that my nail? Yeah. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then those. So, okay, then I'm going to put this on Monday. Or cut it. I think I'm going to cut it so that I can put it in 2 different spots. One on Monday, so it looks like the ink is coming from behind the line. Ooh, love it. And then if I'm on this will probably go here. Oh my gosh, I love how that looks already. So I love having a finished sticker sheet. And then I'm going to put these down. I'm going to rotate them. I'm putting all the stickers down first. Like, how beautiful are these? Oh, come on. And this one up here. And then do a little bunch down here. I love purchasing Ali's stickers because I feel like they're, I'm able to use 1 sheet of stickers over 3 spreads, and I love that. So yay! There's something so satisfying about finishing sticker sheets. Got a huge pile for 2021. So now, washi. I'm feeling though like I need to add quotes. You guys know me and my quotes. So let me add the washi first and then see what we're gonna do from this point onwards. And I'm gonna rotate between the 2. Now I could pull in the 3rd, but I feel like that would be a bit too much. So I'm going to just stick to the 3 that I've got, or the 2 that I've got. Gorgeous. And, oh, I'm now all back into the washi. Like, give me all the washi. I think I've said this before in a different video where I went through a stage where washi just wasn't for me. I didn't use it, but it also didn't help that I didn't have like the greatest looking washi either. The washi that I had was like, not to knock Michaels or anything, but it was like the Michaels brand. And I think I got the rainbow, like the big set of rainbow washi, which is okay, but it's nothing like hand-drawn ones like this. And Ali has great ones. I'm waiting for ones to come in from the Coffee Monsters Co. I pre-ordered some of hers. So I went through my whole washi stash and gave away the ones that I wasn't using. And I'm all about keeping things in my stash that I will intentionally use. In my year on the squad, I accumulated a lot of things. Very grateful for everything that I did accumulate, and the things that I wouldn't use, I did give to local planner people. Oh, I love it. So now I'm all about trying to really minimize what I've got. Wow. So I even went through my Happy Planner sticker books and took out the pages that I would actually use and put them in my own sticker book. So I took out the quotes. And actually I think this one is perfect for here. Be in love with. Oh my gosh, love it. So then I always like these, but then I also like these quotes. So let's see if there's anything that would fit that would also match. Ooh, this one. Hold on. So I love these, and this pink I think would work really well. You got this. Gorgeous. Then, whoops, way too many. Now I just need gray. No, I need these ones. How do I want to use these? I'm going to take this Be a Kind Human. These are from the Wild Styled sticker book, and I just wanted the quotes. Oh. That's actually a great combination. Then I'm gonna choose this Yay for Today. It is a slightly different pink, but I feel like that matches better. Then I'm gonna take this gray one. Although the gray on gray I'm not a big fan of. So I'm gonna put this one here. And that seems to work better, and I need a pink for that. I almost feel like this would work well if I could peel it up. Oh, I love that combination so much. Then I think I just need two more. One is a dream. Oh, I don't know. How would this look here? I think that is beautiful. And then lastly, this one here, Dream Big. All right, let's clean up my mess here. I am in love with how that looks. You've got the different shades of the pink with the alcohol ink and the washi and the florals. I am in love with this spread, and I cannot wait to see it once it's all filled in. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.